Hello friends, I'm 𝒚+𝒚. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers for supporting and I thank all the viewers for watching the video. So today one Irish Olympiad maths question. For positive integers x, y, when y greater than 3, x square plus y power 4 equals to 2 times of x minus 6 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square. Prove that x square plus y power 4 equals to 1994. So there are many methods to solve this question. I don't claim this is the only method. So let's proceed. So first I am expanding this equation given x square plus y power 4 equals to twice x square plus 36 minus 12x plus y square plus 1 plus twice y, or x square plus y power 4 equals to 2x square minus 24x plus 72 plus 2y square plus 2 plus 4 times of y. Or this is x. I'm shifting all the things to right side and making the left hand side 0. So it will be x square minus 24x minus y power 4 plus 2y square plus 4 times of y plus 74 equals to 0. So this is the quadratic equation in your x. So from here, using quadratic formula, x will be negative b, so it will be plus 24 plus minus square root b square, 24 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is the whole thing is c. So it will be minus y power 4 plus 2y square plus 4 times of y plus 74. This is the value of x in terms of y, of course, divided by twice a, that is 2 into 1, 2. So simplifying this x, it will be 24 plus minus 576 plus 4y to the power 4 minus 8y square minus 16y minus 4 multiplied by this 296 over 2. So out of square root I can take 4 common outside, it will becomes 2. So x will be your 24 plus minus 2 now it will be 2y4 only minus 2y square minus 4 times of y, here it will be plus 70 divided by 2, so 2 will be cancelled with this. Ultimately I am getting plus 12 plus minus square root y4 minus 2y square minus 4 times of y plus 70. There is no denominator here, cancel, taking 2 common. So final x equals to 12 plus minus square root y power 4 plus 2y square minus 4y plus 70. So this should be a perfect square. Y power 4 plus 2y square minus 4y plus 70 is a perfect square. Why? As x is positive integer. This is the perfect square. So let it be k square. Y4 plus 2y square minus 4y plus 7 be k square for some k. Now it is given that y is greater than 3. So we'll start from 4. Now I'm putting y equals to 4 in the expression. Find whether it is a perfect square. Y 4 times is 256 plus 2 into 16. Oh, sorry, it is minus. Very a great mistake. Minus 2 into 16 minus 4 into 4 plus 70. This gives us minus 16 minus it is equals to 280. Is not a perfect square. Next is y equals to 5. Then it will be 5 power 4 minus 2 into 5 square minus 4 times of 5 plus 70 is 625 minus 100 50 minus 20 plus 70 equals to 625. It is a perfect square. It is square of 25. So y equals to 5 gives us a solution. Now when y is equals to 5, what is x? X equals to 12 plus minus your we got this expression as 625. This equals to 12 plus minus 25. I cannot take this negative sign because x is positive integer. X is positive. So x equals to 12 plus 25, that will be 37. So we are getting the solution. X is 37 and y equals to 5. Now we'll go for the question. Question is to find the value of x power 2 plus y power 4, and we have to prove that it will be, so 37 square plus 5 to the power 4. 37 square is 1369 plus 5 to the power 4 we have already found. You have to see 625. This is 1994. Hence, it is proved. So thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. So if you have liked, please share.